Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog! Kabalo ko nag-wonder mo nga everyday halos ko nag-upload of videos. Pero syempre, since unemployed man ko and that's not something I hid from everybody, I do lots of things I wasn't able to do during the time I was working downtown. So karon, I'm bathing the dogs. This one is Tazi. His full name is Tazi Small Dog. Why small dog? Because he used to be very small when he was a puppy. Karon, kani si small dog is already fixed. We had him neutered last time because my actual pet, this one, who is Zozibini, is a female and we didn't have her spayed pa because it's very expensive. Karon, maybe you're wondering why need na ako sila isabay maligo is because Zozibini will be angry if di sila sabay ni Tazi because maybe she will get irritated sa different smell nila ni Tazi after nila maligo if separate sila liguon. So karon nagkagidlay si mommy. These dogs ligo every 4 days nowadays because Zozie has a skin infection and needs to be treated ASAP. Kaya magsige lagi tilap-tilap siyang sarili. So this is the part of the regimen na gihatag sa iya sa vet. Originally, si Zozo lang man dapat ang gikalbo, but giapil na mo kalbo si Tazi Small Dog because, just like I said, Zozie will get mad when he smells different smell on Tazi. Karon, I'm just drying them with a cloth. Actually, that's a pillowcase, pero used na and I used that because I used pillowcase because they like to smell familiar. Mga good dogs like to smell familiar. Karon kay karon usually after nila pat dry with towel which basa na kaayo by now, magtrapo na sila sa sofa. That's why usahay ideally butangan dapat na mo naghapi ng sofa. Pero wala pang may lago, so wala na mo nabot ngan kana naga-lounge na sila, naga-zoomies, nagabagit-bagit. They do the Reuben on the couch. Inana na sila. Tazi is generally thoughts just vibe dog, while Zozie is very prim and proper. She's the ate of the two. She's 4 years old and Tazi is just gonna be turning 1. So guys, enjoy ninyo yung tawon niyang among video. Mag-zoomy sana sila doon niya. Kaya nagawas ako kaya akong gihalay aktualya kaputing basaa. And I don't know if you've noticed, but I was basa too.